The NCM, the Microcut, is a new product in our family. The machine is built specific for fine abrasive water jet. New market opener. The target market for this is fine electronic parts and also medical parts. That is a new market for us as a company also. The market with fine components who has been up to date has been with micro laser or EDM wiring, and now we're coming with this fine abrasive process into that market, and they have the same benefits like the ordinary abrasive water jet, comparing with a regular laser comparing water jet technology. The machine concept is very like the original one we have. We have the same guiding pattern in this one. The big thing here around this machine is the table frame system here. The normal way on the standard machines that you put the material on the working table on the grid. On this machine we have a concrete fixture table which is connected to the machine, and then we have a collector who will collect the water. So a little bit opposite to comparing with the standard machines. So all material is fixed to the frame system, you can say. And then we can make very accurate parts, not just fine yet accurate, and with a fine abrasive yet we make small components. We started this project with this specific machine about 8 months ago. And I said before, we have used many standard components like we have in a big machine and scaled down them. Dimension on this Microcut machine is 1 by 1 meter stroke, and the tolerance is plus minus 0.01 millimeter. The abrasive cutting is from 0.2 up to 0.4 of a millimeter. We have tried to cut up to 30 millimeter stainless with the fine abrasive, so it's very similar to wire EDM, what they can produce. With you can say this machine concept is between wire EDM and fine laser cuttings. It's normally been a gap between these two areas, so this is filling up this gap between these two segments of machine types. The control is exactly the same as the big machine that we call Panel 1, our own HMI, and it's working together with Fanuc CNC controller. It's the same on all our machines as this one. People who have small components, sensitive materials, need very high accuracy on the parts, and a cut with cold cut and not thermal cut. The toughest part has been the process by itself. The process I have been working for 3 or 4 years before we start to build the machine. So that has been a lot of testing in the focusing tube and the design of the cutting head. So that is the biggest adventure in this machine, if you see it like that. It's the process itself.